the first stop we're here with a very special booth. They're always presenting the world the most inspiration and innovation products for the next generation. And now, ladies and gentlemen, here comes a very beautiful lady, Andrea! Hello, Andrea!
Hi, Eden.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. And for all of you, be very much welcome to Far Eastern New Century SINGTEX 2020 exhibition booth.
Yes, and today I heard you have a lot of new information are giving us, right?
Yeah, definitely. Over here in SINGTEX, we have the most innovative and sustainable solutions for all our customers. So come ahead and take a look.
Yeah, and the first stop we are going to ocean.
Yeah.
Swim with me. Okay, let's go. Hey, why are we here?
We're here because we have our ocean plastic recycling project.
Oh, wow. Plastic recycling project. How do we do that?
Well, alongside with Adidas and Parley for the Oceans, a non-profit organization, we have intercepted bottles that are in the sea and the coastlines, and we avoid them to enter the sea and pollute our oceans. What we do is that once we collect these bottles, we reprocess them into flakes, chips, and then turn them into yarns that can be turned into either shoes or apparel or accessories.
Well, so almost everything, right? Just
Yeah.
like here. So 11 different bottles can make into
One
shoes.
pair of shoes. Yes.
One pair of shoes. Oh, wow. But the shoes, why do they have different names?
This year, Adidas for this season released the City Pack. The City Pack represents the most emblematic cities around the world.
Wow, so that's why there's Sydney, Singapore, Seoul, Osaka, Tokyo, Hong Kong, and Taipei. So I heard there's some more exciting products, right?
Yes.
So are we
Come on.
going to see that?
Of course.
Okay, ready? Jump! Hey, wow, Andrea, we just have the plastic recycling, and now what?
We have
Whoa.
FENC in collaboration with Morphlin, a textile recycling project.
Also, it's recycle the fabrics.
Exactly. So, previously we had the bottle-to-bottle loop,
Yes.
in which we recycle bottles, and now we have the textile-to-textile loop.
Wow, bottle to bottle, textile to textile. How do we do that?
Yeah, well, for FENC in combination with Morphlin, what we do is that we collect pre-consumer textile waste and we reprocess them, shredding it, turning it into staple fiber that is later turned into one-of-a-kind spun yarn.
So, as a new yarn making of the old waste textile.
Exactly. One of the biggest problems we have in the textile industry is textile waste in landfills.
yes.
So we aim to reduce this through our innovative solutions.
And here comes the question. With the remade process, will it be strong as well?
Yes, all the physical properties are maintained and the quality is a must and a thing that you will always have in FENC.
Oh my god, that's the earth lover's best choice.
Exactly.
Okay, for protecting the earth is super good. And also, I heard you have a new product to protect ourselves.
Yeah,
Let's take
more
a
than
look.
anything right now, in COVID, we need it.
Okay, let's go. Ready? Jump! Hey, Andrea, we're now here. And how do we protect ourselves during this pandemic?
Well, during this pandemic, other than face masks, we as well have our protective lifewear. At FENC, through vertical integration, we have gathered our most innovative products and combined them into one suit that protects you as well as our healthcare workers.
Wow, but this kind of protective suit is a one-time disposal one?
Well, protective suits, there are different kinds, and the most common kind is the one that's disposable.
Yes.
But our protective lifewear can be easily reused through washing, and through wash, it can still protect you from virus and blood.
Wow, so we can just simply put it into the washing machine?
Yes.
Amazing! And during the repetitive washing, the cleaning, it's still with the protection from the bacteria, from the virus, from the blood.
Exactly, it's very functional and durable.
Wow, thank you, Andrea. Thank you. Bring us to this new kind of life that we can protect ourselves in the daily life and also protect the environment.
In the new normal, of course.
Yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are now in SINGTEX 2020, and we are now at the booth of
Far Eastern New Century.
Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2020 TTES. This is Jenny, your exhibition tour guide today. I'm here to introduce you all these different booths, what's their newest and creative products. So let's follow me, discover Heyou Textile company. And this way, they are focusing on the outdoor and industrial applications. So ladies and gentlemen, let's meet Papa Charles. He is the Vice President of the Marketing. Go back home. I'm home, Papa Charles. Hello.
Jenny, my Jenny. Yeah.
It's my Papa Charles.
Hello.
So because actually this time your booth is make me feel like home.
Sure.
So can you give me a room tour? What's your design concept for this?
Because I and my sales team travel the world to visit my customers all the time.
Yes.
And once a time, TTES is a very important textile show in Taiwan. And I want to make this booth like a home because Taiwan is my home. I sincerely welcome all my visitors come to Taiwan.
Wow,
Yeah.
so all the visitor and customer is
Sure.
your family.
Sure, yes.
So can you show us what's the key product of this year's Heyou?
Yes, sure. Let's go this way.
Okay, Papa. Papa Charles, so
Yeah.
first step is garden.
Yes, in this garden, we have a fantastic product here.
Yes.
My R&D team has developed this solvent-free water-based PU
Wow.
more than 5 years. And we got 5 patents from Germany, from USA, and also including Taiwan, of course. And this water-based PU has saving 46% more about food carbon free, more than a solvent-based PU. And the performance even better than the regular water-based PU in the market.
Wow.
And then it meet ZTHC, zero VOC, and also the non-urine, and also meet the blue sign criteria as well.
Wow,
Yeah.
46% saving.
Yes.
It's really environment care.
Of course, yes.
So going to the next step, I want to
Sure.
see your bedroom.
Okay, sure, let's go.
And here is the bedroom.
Yes,
What's the special of the bedroom?
yes, and UC Bakong is one of the Heyou sister company. And this company is spin-off from TTRI. She carries a very good technology, is graphene. And graphene is very hot and very popular in recent years. And our graphene is very good water resistance and breathable as well. And also very good heat conductive and transmission
Wow.
performance. And also good anti-static performance as well.
Okay.
And feel like a laser. It's
Wow.
very soft and very comfortable.
Okay.
Also, the operation can up to 5,000 cycles and up. And the water resistance can be up to the 1,500 millimeter. Yes. And this year, especially, we have a color film comes out. And very good for some fashion and outdoor apparel as well. Thank you.
Wow, so this is good for like female.
Yes.
It's very pretty, so we can dress up with like
Yeah.
outdoor activity,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay, so this is bedroom. So the next up will be living room.
Yeah, let's go.
The living room. It's nice painting.
Thank you.
So what's the core value of the Heyou, your family?
Yeah, sure. Jenny, you have seen our innovation
Yes.
and our technology.
Right.
And now I want to show you our sustainability. It's one of our core value. We have developed the recycled PET. Our trademark is a CyclePad, and we start from the 2005, and we are the very first to introduce the recycled PET into outdoor market. And 3 years ago, we also the very first one to have the eco-knit regenerated nylon from aquafil. And I'm the very first one, an Asian textile mill to visit the Slovenia factory as well.
Wow.
And everything here is GRS certified. Yeah.
So actually, Heyou is also very care for the environment and next generation.
Sure.
So ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested to all the product of here, please follow Heyou.
Welcome to Taiwan and welcome to Heyou.
To get more details.
Wow! Hello, Anthony. Welcome to TTES 2020. Could you tell me why we are floating?
Because we have the green long lightweight recycle.
Oh, no wonder we are flying.
Yes.
And can you share us more about the green loan?
Yeah, green long is we are recycled from the waste. Yeah, so it can reuse.
With the chemical free,
Yeah,
right?
with chemical free.
And I also heard you have another plane called FunMax.
Yes, we can make the yarn with the function.
Oh, wow. So can we see that?
Yeah, sure. Let's go.
Okay, let's fly over.
Yeah.
Safe landing.
FunMax.
Oh, wow. So how can we benefit from this new brand?
If you wear this clothes, it can make your body circulation faster than before. So even you not moving, not exercising, still can get that kind of the benefit.
That's why you are talking so fast.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, and
Okay.
I also heard that FunMax has a different function.
Yes.
See that?
Okay, let's go.
Shoo. Wow. And what about this?
This is FunMax Aqua.
Aqua. What does it mean? Aqua.
Yeah, it can absorb the water on the air, so can make you feel cooler. Even just the light wind, you can feel cool.
So just the light wind
Light
blowing
wind,
away
yeah.
and whoa, the temperature is different.
Yes.
Let me try another one.
Okay.
Ooh, so you just need a little bit different moving,
Yeah.
and you will feel immediately
Cooling.
cool. Wow. And anything else?
We have this way.
Let's go. Wow. Oh, antibacterial nylon.
Yes, it can keep you safe from the bacteria.
And also.
The anti-art that you smell good.
Okay, so with this functional nylon, you can keep yourself safety and also smell good, and therefore you will have colorful life. So let's go to
Solution dye.
wow, solution dye.
Yes, this is the best way to style the yarn and help us.
Yes, you can save 65% off,
Water,
70% off,
CO2,
and 85% off.
chemicals.
So ladies and gentlemen, this is
Chenlo, eco-friendly every day.
La 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 la. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 2020 TDAS. This is Jenny. We are going to discover SINGTEX. So ladies and gentlemen, let's meet my twins.
Hi guys, I'm Jenny.
I'm Jenny too.
Oh wow, that's
Jenny.
two Jennys.
Yeah, Jenny. So I would like to ask for SINGTEX. Actually, your slogan is "Sing a lovely textile song," right? So sing a song together.
I wish I could, but let's go to the karaoke next time.
So what's the story behind the slogan?
Well, you know, it's actually quite funny because our chairman Jason and his wife, they're both in the choir when they were in school.
Okay.
So, you know, with the musical background and then the love for textiles, SINGTEX means to sing a lovely textile song for everyone to hear.
So Sister Jenny, what's your 2020 highlights?
Okay, for the Tita show of the 2020, we have a few highlights back at the booth. So we start off, of course, with our most famous Cafe.
Cafe.
And then going into something that is more comfortable and more for the ones that staying at home, we have the Leisure. And that is a special kind of yarn that has absolute stretch but without any spandex yarn. And then after that, we have, of course, another that's really good for the fall winter is our Storm Fleece. That is a single layer woven fabric, but has the stretchiness and the hand feel like the knits. And the fleece that has also passes rain test. So it's a very functional kind of fabric. And of course, last but not least is our PPE, because SINGTEX is actually the Taiwan national team during the COVID-19 pandemic. Yeah, so we made a lot of the coveralls for the company, for the country as well. So those are our highlights for this year.
So actually you mentioned the Escafe. I'm really curious about that product. So ladies and gentlemen, let's cover that.
Let's go.
Go. Hey, I can't believe it. That's made by coffee ground.
Yes, that's right. And it's Ice Cafe.
Wow.
It's a permanent coolness that you cannot wash away.
That's really good in summertime.
That's
But
right.
how did you do it?
Well, let me show you.
Okay.
Because you know, every day we drink a lot of coffee, right?
Right.
And then there is a lot of these coffee grounds,
grounds.
right? And so we collected from different kind of cafes, Starbucks, 7-Eleven, etc.
Okay.
And then we nano-size it. We also blend it with the recycled plastic bottles, yeah. And we make it into the Escafe yarn.
Yarn.
That's right. So at the same time, we also extrude from the coffee ground the coffee oil.
Oh.
And then the coffee oil, it can actually be made into a lot of different kind of things.
Yes.
For example, in the cosmetics, the coffee shampoo, and then even for our waterproof breathable membrane.
Oh.
Yeah, it replaces a quarter of the petroleum used in making of this. So it's very eco-friendly.
Wow. Can you imagine that? The coffee ground, basically we will put it in the fridge, right?
Right, exactly.
And that is doesn't use anything.
That's
but right now,
right.
this is wearables. Well, what kind of the clothes that you made by the yarn?
Wow, I can show you. As you can see here, this
Starbucks.
is... That's right, we all love Starbucks. So this, actually, the apron and the shirt is made from Escafe. Oh, I see you're doing the signature move.
Yeah, because that is made from coffee, but that is not smell like coffee.
That's right, because Escafe, it has a natural property of odor control.
Yeah.
It also fast dries, so if you spill, it dries up very quickly,
Wow.
and it's also UV protective. So this has a lot of really good natural characteristics, and it cannot be washed away.
Wow, this is nice. And also you're doing with other like shoes.
Exactly. I mean, we have a lot of co-brands with different brands, whether it's sneakers or hiking boots, and then even with denim jeans, especially that people don't really like to wash their jeans. Using the Escafe yarn keeps it nice and good.
I need one of this. And also it's not only outdoor or doing the work, also when you sleep, you can use it, right? This is Escafe.
Yes, this is the Ice Cafe, which has a natural cool touch, and it's forever stays. And then if you want to go to a 2.0, we have also the Escafe Silver. It's also for antimicrobial purposes. Perfect for hospital use or for like elderlies to be used in the beddings or even in underwears.
Wow, that's amazing. So if you are interested in those products, please everyone follow
SINGTEX!